Have you ever imagined turning your backyard into a peaceful escape, where the sound of flowing water melts away your stress? What if your outdoor space didn't just look beautiful, but actually felt like a luxury retreat? Are you tired of boring lawns and empty corners that don't inspire you anymore? What if one simple addition could completely transform your home's vibe and even boost its value? And the real question is, are you ready to discover the most stunning backyard waterfall ideas for 2026? What makes a backyard waterfall so special? Why do waterfalls instantly make any space feel calm and luxurious? Is it the soothing sound that relaxes your mind after a long day? Or the visual beauty that catches attention from every angle? A waterfall adds movement, life, and energy to your backyard. It turns a simple space into something dynamic and alive. Even a small waterfall can create a big emotional impact. So what makes them irresistible in modern outdoor design? If you enjoy discovering ideas that transform everyday spaces into something extraordinary, consider sharing this inspiration with others who love beautiful outdoor living. Can you add a waterfall to any backyard? Do you think your backyard is too small for a waterfall feature? What if size doesn't matter as much as smart design? Even compact spaces can host stunning vertical waterfalls. From walls to corners, every area has potential. It's all about creativity, not just space. Modern designs make it easier than ever to install one. So is your backyard really too small? Or just underused? Feel free to share your thoughts or ideas. Sometimes, one comment can spark inspiration for everyone reading. Pool waterfalls, luxury, or necessity. Have you seen how a pool waterfall instantly upgrades a backyard? It turns a simple pool into a resort-like experience. The flowing water adds both beauty and functionality. It keeps water circulating and visually refreshing. And honestly, it just feels more relaxing. Whether modern or natural, the effect is powerful. Could this be the missing piece in your dream backyard? If you enjoy exploring ideas that upgrade everyday living spaces, staying connected can help you keep discovering more creative inspirations. Do you love the idea of having a natural ecosystem in your backyard? A pond waterfall creates a peaceful, nature-inspired environment. It attracts birds, adds life, and feels incredibly calming. The gentle flow of water connects you with nature. It's like having your own mini sanctuary at home. Even simple rock waterfalls can look stunning. Could this be your escape from daily stress? If this idea resonates with you, sharing it can help others discover peaceful outdoor concepts too. What if you don't have space for a pool or pond? Fountain waterfalls are perfect for smaller backyards. They are stylish, modern, and easy to install. From wall fountains to tiered designs, options are endless. They add elegance without taking much space. And they still give that relaxing water sound. Could a simple fountain completely change your space? You're welcome to share which style you like most. Different opinions often lead to the best ideas. Do you prefer sleek, modern designs or natural stone waterfalls? Modern waterfalls use clean lines and minimal aesthetics. Natural designs blend with rocks, plants, and textures. Both create different moods and experiences. One feels luxurious, the other feels organic and calming. Your choice defines your backyard's personality, so which style truly reflects you? If you enjoy discovering different design styles and ideas, staying updated can keep your creativity flowing. Do you think waterfalls are always expensive? What if you could build one on a budget? DIY waterfall kits are becoming more popular. Simple designs can still look elegant and premium. Using local materials can reduce costs significantly. Creativity matters more than money here. So is budget really a limitation, or just a mindset? If practical ideas like these are helpful, sharing them can help others create beautiful spaces without overspending. Did you know waterfalls are becoming smarter in 2026? LED lighting adds dramatic nighttime effects. Automation lets you control flow and lighting easily. Eco-friendly pumps save energy and water. Some designs even sync with music or ambiance. Technology is redefining outdoor aesthetics. Are you ready for a smarter backyard experience? Feel free to share your thoughts on modern features. Your perspective might inspire someone else. Are you planning a waterfall but unsure where to start? Many people overlook proper placement and balance. Ignoring water flow can ruin the whole effect. Poor lighting can hide the beauty at night. Over-designing can make it look cluttered. Simple, thoughtful design always works best. So how do you avoid turning beauty into chaos? If you enjoy learning what to do and what to avoid, staying connected can help you make better design decisions. How will a waterfall change your life? Imagine coming home to the sound of flowing water, a space that instantly relaxes your mind and body, a backyard that feels like a private retreat, a place where you actually want to spend time. Waterfalls don't just change spaces, they change moods. They bring peace, beauty, and a sense of escape. So what's stopping you from creating your dream backyard? If this vision inspired you, sharing it can help others imagine their dream spaces too. What's the perfect placement for a backyard waterfall? Have you ever thought about where a waterfall should actually go? Should it be the main focal point or a hidden relaxing corner? Placement can completely change how your space feels. Near seating areas, it enhances relaxation and ambiance. Close to entry points, it creates a strong first impression. Wrong placement can reduce its beauty and impact. So where would your waterfall create the most magic? You can share your ideas or preferences. Sometimes the best inspiration comes from different perspectives. At the beginning, we asked, can one simple addition transform your entire backyard? Now, you have your answer. A waterfall isn't just a decoration, it's an experience. It turns ordinary spaces into calming retreats, whether it's a pool, pond, or fountain. The impact is powerful. No matter your space or budget, there's always a way to make it work. So instead of dreaming about a perfect backyard, why not start creating one?